So hey everyone, my name is Nayan Mishra. Today I am here to represent my only project, which is basically a chatbot based on RAG implementation. So it basically fetches the for greeting. It fetches the current hours and it divides into according to before tell, after tell, or after 16, and then greet according to good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. After that, a simple hello message. um, the whole pipeline has been designed according to the RAG implementation and for easing the work of LLM. Let me show you some of my let me show you some my implementation which I have done in this chatbot. Is it correctly will it give correct answer according to the lore book which provided by the authors. And so here are some sample questions from Gemini which I have extracted from that 47 page long PDF. So let's take some example, and maybe my voice does not match the video because it has been recorded after the recording of video. So here's the question which I have asked from it, and it gives the correct answer from the lore book. Here is a zoom, and you can see it can correctly answer the question from it. And let me show you another question. Here is it, and see it's some few seconds for typing, and till then LLM search from the lore book according to the given chunks. See correctly, it answered correctly this question one. Another question, and see it's typing, and it gives correct answer. But let me show you, like there is no hallucination in it. Let me ask who is Nayan Mishra. Obviously it is not mentioned in that given lore book, and see it's saying there is no context provided regarding to Nayan Mishra. So let me show you some my code base. Here it's code base. It's so the directory divided into backend and front end folders, and here is the app.py, which is basically the entering file of the backend. It fetches the API and connects the front end from the backend. It's give the answer and all that. After that, let me go to use a chunker.py. It's a chunker.py basically divides the text into some chunks. The chunks part ratio is 500 and overlapping is 50 words. And then we can see embedding.py. It basically create a vector base and uh, initialize the vector base and and saves everything in that. And here is that our LLM.py. It's basically calling for the LLM. I use Gemini 2.5 Flash for it. The LLM, the backend sends some chunks to the LLM, and LLM gives answer according to it. Here is my requirement.txt, which whenever you want to clone my report, is the basic requirement file. And here is the retrieval.txt, which is the most important